Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Sean. I'm a truck driver trainer here with Rosedale Transport. I've got a trainee that we're working on backing on, and he's fixing to do a 90 right here at a shipper here in Dalesburg, Georgia. So make sure you stick all the way to the end. Appreciate you watching. Hey, if you get any value from me, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe, because I put out videos every day trying to show you what comes after the CDL school and teach you what the CDL school will not teach you. Let's get into it. Go ahead and cut it. All right, you're gonna have to go back up and start cutting it sooner. Doing a little training video right here with my trainee here. He's fixing to try to do a 90 into the spot. It's one of the tighter spots that he had to do. It's just his second week out here. There you go. Go ahead and start cutting it now. You wanna line up with this right here. Keep cutting it. Keep cutting it. You want those tires to come right here. Keep coming. All right, now get in back into it. Now I want you to pull up a little bit. Doing good. All right, now come back. Now I'm just gonna shut up and let him practice. I ain't gonna say nothing to him. Just let him do his thing. Try not to anyway. Okay, you see how it's gonna overshoot it? So now you wanna go ahead and pull up and over, because you wanna get over here on this side of the line. There you go. Keep going up a little more. Now come on back, because you want to get them going in this path. There you go. All right, cut it. Cut it tight. Keep coming. Looking good, looking good. You're good? Come on. Very good, come on. It's going in perfect. All right, stop. Now you see how it's, hey. Now you see how it's going like that? So now you just gotta pull up and straighten right on up, and you right on in that big dog. Very good, very good. Look at you, big dog. All right, look at him go. The only thing you did wrong, you don't have your flashers on and you didn't honk the horn. But other than that, he's looking good. Very good. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, y'all give Chris Brown a big round of applause here. This is his second week. It's first time doing a 90 dock right here in a tight situation. We're going to do some more practicing, so thank you for watching today's video. Hey, if you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. And if you're interested in coming to work for Rosedale, call the number at the bottom of the screen, 706-226-1003. Ask for Tina. Tell me your boy Sean sent you. They hire drivers right out of school. They also hire experienced drivers too. If you've got 6 months experience, you get a $4,500 sign-on bonus. You're getting home just about every week. It's a great company. Like you see, most of us drop and hook. Go ahead and make that call today. It's Trailer Life with Sean, baby. Let's get it.